Davis Graham here. I received a an equation from a geometry teacher, this right up here in the above place, and what I found out was that number one, as a dyslexic person and an episodic learner, I don't know what all these symbols mean, and it's like a different language. So what I did is I took a picture of the actual problem and I put it into Gemini by just adding the picture, screenshot picture, by clicking on the plus sign down here, and I said, make a story with a solution to this equation. And so I then found out a little bit more about the triangles and the symbols. So I'm going to have it read to you with text to speech.
To solve this geometry puzzle, we first need to understand the secret code of the tick marks. In geometry, when two segments on the same line have the same number of marks, it means the point in the middle is the midpoint. Since B, D, and F are all midpoints, we can use the triangle midsegment theorem. This theorem states...
Okay, so I'm going to have the rest of that read to you here in a minute, but these tick marks are just the sides and this is the middle. Okay, and so this is one side, this is two side, this is the third side, and then the middle of each of these lines is marked by B, D, and F. And so then in order to find that out,
since B, D, and F are all midpoints, we can use the triangle midsegment theorem. This theorem states that a segment connecting the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. The story of the map to the hidden treasure. Once upon a...
This makes sense to me. So that this side is parallel to this side. So this right here is the half of this whole side. This side is parallel to this side, and it is half of the distance. And then this side right here is parallel to this side down here, A and E, and it is half the distance. So with that in mind, it goes, and I learned that from this triangle mid segment, and all I did is I highlighted it like this, and then I asked it to go look at it in Google, and so I Google searched that and came up with a video. Then here's the story.
The story of the map to the hidden treasure. Once upon a time, an explorer named Captain Geometry found a triangular island defined by three giant palm trees, A, C, and E to hide his treasure. He didn't put it at the corners. Instead, he found the exact middle point of each coastline. Point B was halfway between trees A and C. Point D was halfway between trees C and D. Point F was halfway between trees E and A. He drew a smaller triangle inside, BDF, to mark the spot. To help his crew find it later, he left a riddle. Each half of the inner triangle runs perfectly alongside a great coastline, never meeting, no matter how far they stretch. The solution, using the mid-segment theorem.
So then it goes on, and we can identify the three pairs of the segment, which is what it's asking here. Totally different way of learning. Thought you all would enjoy it, and anything that you don't understand with text to speech or that's on this actual reading of the screen, take time to look it up.